Hello, my name is Lynette Kashke, and I am the Assistive Technology Specialist for West Hartford Public Schools. Welcome to ATtv. This is the first in a series of iPad basics information and instruction on how to use your iPad. And the first thing we're going to be looking at today is the anatomy of the iPad, its features and functions. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at the back of the iPad. And here you have on the top is the sleep-wake button. And the sleep-wake button turns the iPad on and off when you're not using it. The second thing you have here is you have your camera lens. And the camera lens is a front and back lens. So that way you can take pictures both of yourself and also of others. There is a FaceTime app on the iPad to be able to use that camera, as well as a camera app to be able to take pictures. So if you look at the home screen and you hit the camera, this is what the camera looks like. Now on the bottom over here on the right hand side, you can switch from camera to video function. So that way you could either take pictures or videos. All you need to do is just press the camera icon here and that will take a picture. Then to be able to go back to the home screen, here is your home button. And this is very helpful, and we'll be learning a lot about the home button in future series. You press the home button once, it takes you back to your home page. And the icon with the flower is your photos. You hit photos and it shows you the pictures that you've just taken. And we hit the home button again and we're back to your home screen. The next thing we're going to look at is your volume. This turns your iPad volume up and down. And also, this is your orientation lock button here, which you could either lock your screen into vertical or horizontal so it doesn't switch as you're using it, or it's also a mute button. And you can set that also in settings, which we'll talk about more in a future time. Now, in order to keep your iPad charged, this is where your charger is connected. Now, this is an iPad 4 with retinal display. So the charger on here is called a Lightning. The Lightning connector is only different because it's smaller, whereas in the older iPads, you have the larger charger. Now, in order to keep your iPad safe, I recommend that you purchase a screen protector for your iPad. Also, you may want to purchase a case. This is your basic CTech 360 case. And the reason why they call it a 360 is because it will shift to vertical and horizontal position depending on what app you're using, because some apps are changing positions or they're in different position. Also, depending on how you use your iPad, you may want to purchase a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Also, in order to keep your iPad clean, you want to use a clean, dry, lint-free cloth to remove any fingerprints. Thank you very much for joining me on ATtv. Look forward to seeing you again. And the next time we'll continue our series on iPad basics, looking at the iPad's features and functions. Thank you.